Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at some steps you can take if you receive the message the Windows security system cannot be started. For a more in-depth look at the topic, check out the article in the description. Since we are dealing with your security on your system, this might be an indication of malware or some other virus. Run a deep antivirus scan. Next, let's look to see if security services are enabled. Open a run box, type in services.msc, click on OK. Look for Security Center, double click on it, make sure that it is started and it is set to automatic or automatic delayed start. In many systems this is grayed out and you don't have this option, but if you do, make sure. Also, look for Remote Call Procedure RPC. Make sure that it's also set to automatic and running. And Windows Management Instrumentation Service. Make sure that it is started and set to automatic. Repair the WMI repository and see if this helps. To do so, open the command prompt as an administrator. Type in win management / verify repository and hit enter. If you get WMI repository is consistent message, then you're good here. If not, then type in win mgmt / salvage repository and hit enter. Then reset your system and see if this helps. Try running an SFC and a DISM scan. To do that, open Start menu, go to the command prompt, run it as an administrator. For the SFC scan, type in SFC / scan now and hit enter. This will scan the system for corrupted files. It may take a few minutes. When that's finished, you'll want to run a DISM scan. To do that, type in dism.exe / online / clean up, one word, image / restore health and hit enter. Depending on the level of corruption to your system, this scan could take a while, so please be patient. Once that's finished, type in exit and hit enter. If this does not help, then you will probably have to perform a clean boot and troubleshoot the conflicting program which might be preventing the Security Center from running. We did a video on how to do this and we'll link it in the description. If nothing else, you may need to reset Windows. To do this, go to Settings, then look for Recovery, select Reset this PC, follow the on-screen prompts and see if this works. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.